All right, guys, welcome back to another episode Up and Running. Thanks for watching. All right, on today's episode, we're going to wrap up the Blazer. I hope you enjoy it. All right, guys, I'll tell you an interesting story that happened to us this week with the Blazer. We had a guy coming to pick up our waste oil, and when he got there, he saw the Blazer sitting there, and he said, "Hey, that Blazer right there used to be my Blazer." And we're like, "Well, what do you mean? You have one just like it?" And he said, "No, that one used to be my Blazer." He goes, "That was my Blazer when I was in high school." He goes, "I looked inside it, and the stereo and, some of those components were things that I put into that Blazer when I had it." He's in his mid-30s now, so it was, 15 plus years ago that he actually owned that Blazer. So he told us a few things about it, and we went back and forth about who he sold it to, where it was when he sold it, and things like that, and the story all lined up. So we definitely confirmed that used to be his Blazer. So that was really interesting. So that doesn't happen every day. So anyway, here's the rest of the story on the Blazer. Radiator that came out of a different truck because the Blazer here didn't have a radiator in it, so we're just kind of test fitting it, make sure it'll work.
I think the condenser goes on that shelf and the radiator goes here.
I agree.
So are these mounts radiator or condenser mounts?
I think those are condenser mounts then.
So we don't have, and just got one top radiator mount, that's it?
That's what it looks like.
All right, let me look in that tub, see if he took them out. Okay, what are the lines for this? By the grill. So. Alright, maybe this isn't the right one.
No, you're just way over. No, it's got to go below that trans line. There you go.
But to get them in, I'm just about here.
Oh, I see.
Must be another type of condenser.
Well, you know what? Is it upside down? Because there's a recess here. I bet it's upside down, because the compressor's on that side. No, spinning around.
Where are the hoses though?
I don't know.
I think there's one hose there.
You see the hoses?
I don't. Do you think they come on this side?
The compressor's over there. Oh, right here.
Oh, there's a line right there. It's bent. See that high pressure line?
Right here?
No, to your right. To your right.
Oh, here.
Yeah. The metal one. Right there. think.
Okay.
Now when I tighten the front bracket, so I'll snug it up.
Alright, all the belts are on and snugged up. A little bit of a fiasco. I had to reorder one belt, but the rest of them fit okay. So another step done. Just got to bolt the shroud on, fans all on, everything else that way. So we're getting close, almost ready to put coolant in it.
First, get a couple clamps.
Right now we're not getting power to the choke, and we want the choke to open up. So Ed's gonna make a little jumper wire just for now. We just want to make sure everything's working properly on this, and you know, that we're good to go for either us or someone else to do more.
Check it out. Yep. The choke, that's a new choke too, so it should start heating up.
Yeah. Alright, everything is out of the fan. Everything's out of the yeah. Throw a pump in it. Battery going dead?
Maybe. That was fast though.
Yeah, well, we've been cranking with it for how long? All right, take two. That's what I'm hoping is not the case. Hopefully that starter hangs in there just for a little bit.
Timing a little? It's like almost like, or you think it ran good enough?
I think it ran pretty good, but let me
Ready?
hold on, let me think about this a second. It's going that way, so I want to go that way. Okay.
Maybe put a little gas in it.
New day, new problems. Stopped dripping out, so it must have just been on the cord support.
Thermostat gasket was leaking a little, but I didn't put anything on it.
I didn't hear banging, I heard something else up here.
Oh. listen. Maybe the power steering's empty?
Oh, it is. Yeah. There's no fluid in the power steering. Or very little.
I hear it in here. Well, I feel it in here. It could be the power steering. Light, I can't see the...
I'm just going to check and make sure we're on the lowest idle setting on the car so we can kind of start to tune this up a little bit. Just making adjustments to the idle mixer screws. Test and see how many amps the starter's drawing. So sometimes it was pegging it.
Yeah, okay.
So,
and that's when it was binding?
Yeah.
So we'll throw...
So 300 was like the minimum.
I got a brand new starter in it.
So, alright, new starter time. We almost made it. Ed walked over to the parts bin, grabbed the new starter. We're going to go ahead and put that in.
This tram's always look beautiful.
A little oil sling.
Yeah. Remember we had a little problem lining up those bolts?
Yeah.
I just did it. Ran my fingernail into grime. I
All
hate that.
right.
One oil soaked starter.
See if it goes vroom. It's starting really good now. Yeah. We actually had threw the light on it once. We're just going to double check it.
Yeah.
That looks good.
Let me ask you though, is that before? I can check. Or is that after?
No, it should be before. We're spinning this way. Alright, we're good on the timing. Armstrong steering in it. You gotta have strong arms to turn it. Oh.
Out. In a little. All right.
Beer adjuster. Yeah. I think the front right brake is kind of very sticky.
I don't know if I'm going around the circle.
Arms tired?
Yeah.
All right, guys, that's going to wrap it up for another episode Up and Running. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to come back next time. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell right next to it for the notifications, and click the like button. Thanks for watching the channel, guys. Not hooked up.
Remember when that song came out? I'll put it in backwards. It was